Well, I'm at one of my property and they say the sewage line busted, so we're gonna go downstairs and check it out. And I'm gonna show you how to fix. Probably I'm not gonna show you how to fix it because I don't have my stand on me. I'll show you the beginning and the end and explain it to you. Well, the sewage line is busted. There's all sewage. So I got some cat litter, and right there, it's busted right there. It's leaking from right there. Okay, let's put the cat litter first. Well, this is what's cracking right here. See it? Broken. Got rusted. But mainly it's not the main water, the main sewage line. It's actually the kitchen line coming through it, but the thing is the sewage is pushing it back a little when it's flush. Okay, let's fix that by, I don't know whoever did this, why didn't they do it all the way to the bottom, but okay, more work for me. Oh, okay, that's it. You know, okay, that's it. I got the PVC pipe. I got from 2-inch, using a flexible coupling from 2-inch to 3-inch because it's not 100% perfect, so you have to use the flexible coupling to be a little flexible. And over here from a 3-inch, from a 4-inch to a 3-inch coupling. As you can see, I broke the cast iron, dig it up and extend it all the way to the bottom because that's all corroded already. So mainly that's it. If you like my video, please subscribe. I appreciate it. That's how I had to come and take care of this. This is I think cost me less than $100, okay, to do it yourself. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.